Hi there, and welcome back to Spanish with Maeve. In today's lesson, we are going to learn new verbs, new words. We are going to listen to a new story. Let's start. But first, as usual, we are going to have a look to the verbs. Ready? Let's go. And the first verb that we have is fui. Yesterday I went. Repeat with me. Fui. I went. Perfect. And the second verb that we have is me senté. Me senté means I sat down. Ayer me senté. Repeat with me. Me senté. I sat down. Perfect. And the third verb that we have is subí. Yesterday I went up. Repeat with me. Subí. Perfect. The fourth verb that we have is llegué. Llegué means I arrived. And that's all for today. Now, yes, let's start. Ayer tuve un día muy complicado. Ayer fui al supermercado y compré verduras y compré fruta. Después fui a casa, pero ¡qué sorpresa! What a surprise. El lift, el ascensor, no funcionaba. It wasn't working. So, cogí las bolsas de fruta y verduras y subí 5 pisos, 5 floors. Cuando llegué a mi casa, oh my God, me senté y comí manzanas, comí naranjas, comí peras. ¡Wow! Y después bebí agua, bebí zumo de naranja, bebí un té. ¡Wow! ¡Qué día! Have you ever had a day like that? Let me know in comments below. And if you need help with your GCSEs or homework, or you would like to go to Spain and practice a little bit your Spanish, have a look at my website, learn-spanish-online.co.uk. See ya!